Last night, they actually shot the game where the men set with him. So I'll send it. Get that. Yeah, something to see too. Yeah. That would be hilarious. You guys can see us in cut. Just looking through the art, I was like, what's this thing? Save that. Go get it now. Since you come, we're going to give me a USB access. Okay, it's not too bad. Actually, I have it right now. It's on my computer. I have a drive here. I'm not cool. I got Oh, you're back. Yeah, that you shot.